Welcome back. We are going to learn about conditional formatting. We are already familiar with this concept from Excel, and it's also available in Power BI. Conditional formatting can be applied to numerical columns only. Let's get started. We'll use the same dataset we worked with when creating charts, maps, and tables. I used it again for this table. Here, we have the product name, state or province, their postal code, and then the sales and profit of the products. As you know, conditional formatting only applies to values, so we'll focus on the values column. First, go to the Visualization tab. In the Columns section, click the drop-down arrow next to the Sales column. Select Conditional Formatting. You'll see options for background color, font color, data bars, icons, and web URL. Let's start with the background color. Click on it. Here, you can set the minimum and maximum values and customize the background color for both. If you'd like to include a middle value, select that option. You can also customize specific values and their corresponding colors. Once you have done this, click OK. Now, sort the column in descending order. You'll notice how the color changes as you scroll down. Darker colors indicate higher sales, and lighter colors indicate lower sales. Next, go to the postal code column. Click the drop-down arrow, and this time choose the font color from the conditional formatting options. You will notice that the format style changes automatically because postal codes are categorical data, whereas sales and profit values are numerical. If we switch to a gradient format, it will display options for higher and lower values, which we don't need. We require the same color for all postal codes. Therefore, the rules format is according to our needs, as conditional formatting sets it automatically for us. Now, regarding the rule, since the postal code is not in text format, click on the drop-down menu and select Is Not. If you'd like to change the font color, feel free to do so. To select the conditional formatting for profit, follow the same approach as before, but this time, choose data bars for profit visualization. This feature displays profits using bars, making it easier to interpret. You can customize the direction of the bars as well as adjust the minimum and maximum values and their colors. After making your selections, click OK. Next, sort the profit column in descending order to see the differences highlighted by the data bars. Moving on to conditional formatting with icons, you can utilize these for sales and profit. Icon styles can be customized according to your preference. The up arrow represents higher profit, while the down arrow signifies lower profit. The upright and downright arrows indicate middle profit levels. If you wish to add a new rule, click on it. Once you've completed these steps, click OK. Let's dive into how to work with aggregations in a table. Sometimes you may want to combine values in your data using mathematical operations like sum, average, maximum, or count. This process is called aggregating, and the result is called an aggregate. In Power BI, there's no need for manual calculations. Just a few clicks will get you the answer. For example, in a table of categories, we might want to find the sum of revenue, sales, and price, or calculate their average or percentage. No manual work is needed. It's all done with one click. Here's how. Go to the Visualization tab. In the Columns section, take the Sales as an example. Click the drop-down arrow next to it. You'll see that Sum is checked, meaning it's currently summing values. To change this to Average, click Average. Now you have an average of sales. To find the minimum price, follow the same steps. For the percentage of revenue, click the drop-down arrow next to revenue, select Show Value As, then choose the percentage option. Now check your table. You'll see the percentage of revenue displayed.